The hum of the motor begins, and with a gentle twist of the throttle, the boundaries of the island simply vanish. This is Mykonos in its most visceral form, an invitation to feel the wind against your skin and the sun against your shoulders. On an ATV, the island becomes an open book. We move away from the ordinary, navigating the narrow paths and hidden corners where cars cannot easily reach. Feel the freedom of the open road as we climb toward panoramic heights, where the Aegean blue stretches infinitely toward the horizon. From the rustic charm of the island villages to the salt-sprayed edge of untouched coves, every turn is a new discovery, every stop a moment of pure connection with the land. We follow the thrill of the moment. It's a thrill of exploration balanced with the serenity of the hidden side of Mykonos. By the time the engine cools, you will have lived the utterly adventurous side of this island. Welcome to Priveon, where we give soul to luxury.